The mistake is buying one cooktop cleaner for every job. A runny liquid, contained paste, or disposable pad can completely change your cleanup routine. Choose by surface, mess size, and restocking burden. 4 multi-surface cooktop and cookware cleaner. Glass and ceramic cooktop cleaner and conditioner by Easy Bright. Pick one. I'd choose this when one bottle needs to cover more than the cooktop. It works with glass and ceramic cooktops, plus glass and enameled cookware and bakeware. That range can reduce cabinet clutter for households cleaning several compatible surfaces. But versatility is the compromise because it may leave streaks. You may also be buying more flexibility than you actually need. So skip it if streaking seriously annoys you or your cleaning routine stays on one dedicated surface. For Gas Range Degreaser. Gas Range Cleaner and Degreaser by Wyman. Pick 2. Got greasy removable parts instead of one flat cooking surface? I'd pick this trigger cleaner for drip pans, knobs, enameled grates, and other compatible range pieces. It also covers stainless steel, glass, and metal bakeware, which makes it useful beyond one burner cleanup. The catch is timing because tough stains need the cleaner to sit before cleanup. It's also a broader degreaser, not a paste that keeps a small application tightly contained. Skip it if you want immediate wipe up or mainly tackle tiny, localized spills. For contained paste cleaner and polish. Cooktop Cleaner Max by Wyman. Pick 3. This makes sense when the cleaner itself keeps spreading beyond the mess. I'd use its thick paste format for small, concentrated spots where a runny application would feel wasteful. The paste stays put instead of running or dripping, and it combines cleaning, polishing, and added scrubbing action. But that controlled format isn't ideal for every general kitchen task. The scent may also feel too strong for some buyers. Skip it if you dislike strong-smelling cleaners or prefer quickly spreading a liquid across a larger area. For Cooktop Cleaning Starter Kit. Cooktop Cleaning Kit by Afresh. Pick 4. Starting without a scraper or dedicated scrubbing tools makes this bundle the practical shortcut. I'd choose it for a new cooktop setup because the cleaner, scraper, and 5 cleaning pads arrive together. The 5-ounce cleaner bottle suits an introduction to the routine, while the scraper handles heavier buildup. But regular cleaning can empty that smaller bottle quickly, creating more frequent restocking. The bundled tools also become wasted storage if you already own suitable versions. Skip it if you only need cleaner or want a larger ongoing supply. For residue-conscious ceramic cooktop cleaner. Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner by Carbona. Pick 5. If leftover cleaner bothers you more than extra features, this is the focused choice. I'd pick it for a ceramic cooktop routine where easy rinsing and a residue-free finish matter most. That narrow purpose also keeps the decision refreshingly simple. However, broader surface compatibility isn't established here, and no included tools expand the package. The format and longer-term maintenance burden also remain unclear beyond its rinsing behavior. So skip it if you need one cleaner for several materials, or if bundled applicators are part of your buying plan. For water-activated cleaning pads. Cooktop and Kitchen Cleaning Pads by Glisten. Pick 6. Short on cabinet space or tired of storing another bottle? I'd choose these for compact storage and quick, smaller jobs because the cleaner is already inside each pad. Water activates it, while the reverse side can polish stainless steel. That makes the format easy to carry between kitchen tasks without packing a separate applicator. But each pad only lasts 1 or 2 uses, so replacement becomes part of the routine. Skip these if you want a reusable tool or prefer controlling cleaner from a bottle. Easy Bright covers the broadest routine, while Wyman splits gas range spray from contained paste. Afresh bundles the tools, Carbona stays ceramic-focused, and Glisten trades bottles for disposable pads. Before buying, match the cleaner to your cooktop material, preferred application format, storage space, and tolerance for replacing bottles or pads. I'd default to Easy Bright for a mixed surface household, but I'd switch to Paste for contained messes or Glisten for bottle-free storage. Links are in the description. Squared away. Bye-bye the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.